Mastering polite expressions. I'm fine, thank you. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but essential phrase in English. I'm fine, thank you. This might seem simple, but understanding its nuances can greatly improve your conversational skills. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and variations to ensure you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Let's get started. I'm fine, thank you, is a polite response often used when someone asks about your well-being. It is a way to express that you are in good condition, both physically and emotionally, and to acknowledge the person's concern for your state. This phrase is typically used in casual conversations, either in person or over text. This phrase can be used in various situations, but it's most commonly seen in everyday interactions. For example, when a friend or colleague asks, "How are you?" in a professional setting, as a courteous reply to a coworker or boss. During a phone call or a text message exchange with someone, it's important to note that while "I'm fine, thank you" is a complete sentence, you can also follow it up with a question to continue the conversation, like, "And how are you?" This keeps the interaction going and shows interest in the other person's well-being. Understanding variations can help you adjust your language based on context and who you're speaking to. Here are a few examples. I'm good, thanks. A more casual version, great for informal settings. I'm well, thank you. Slightly more formal, often used in professional or more respectful contexts. Doing great, thanks, indicates not just fine, but very positive well-being. Experimenting with these variations will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. The "thank you" part of the phrase is crucial as it expresses gratitude for the person's inquiry into your well-being. It adds a layer of politeness and shows that you value their concern. Skipping "thank you" might make the phrase seem abrupt or less polite, so it's always good to include it in your response. I'm fine, thank you, is more than just a phrase. It's a building block for polite, engaging conversations in English. By understanding when and how to use it, along with its variations, you can navigate social interactions more smoothly and effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the nuances of this common expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.